Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to connect Bubble.io with Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Brevo with Bubble.io. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. You'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry, the Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and Bubble.io from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. To connect your Brevo account, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to input your API key here. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, then go to SMTP and API, and click on API Keys. Click on Create Your API Key, give it any name, then click Generate and copy the API key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, Connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now, repeat this process to log into your Bubble.io account by entering your login details. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, click Publish to activate your Zap. That's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Thanks for watching.